More than 50% of companies in Africa rely on generators, and the majority indicate that a lack of a reliable supply of electrical power is a major problem in much of Africa. Losses associated with power outages destroy profitability and amounts to more than 10% of sales in some countries. According to the Center for Global Development, no country in Africa suffers more from daily power outages than Nigeria, where 100% of all businesses rely on generators. Due to the poor quality of fuel, water, and engine oil, and ineffective maintenance, generators in Africa have a shorter than average life expectancy. This lack of dependable power has resulted in businesses leaving Africa.
Partnering with BG and coming up with the service and technologies, we know that we have the solution that can not only keep these businesses floating, but can also bring back the capital that they've lost.
Quest Auto is an authorized distributor of U.S.-based BG Products Incorporated, the worldwide leader in gasoline and diesel engine maintenance.
We work with everything from locomotives to diesel generators to trucks to diesel cars all over the world. And we have to be in tune with the climate changes, the temperatures, the humidities, and even the altitude in those areas.
Quest Auto, utilizing BG Products technology, can restore your generators to their original fuel efficiency and eliminate fuel-related breakdowns. Quest Auto can avoid costly teardown of current fuel systems due to clogged and non-operational injectors, and most importantly, pay for itself with higher fuel efficiency and trouble-free operation.
The three areas that we identify are the lubrication, the fuel, and keeping it cool. And with our systems and technology, we tap into all three. Not only do we cure the problems, but we maintain it so the problems don't come back. And we bring it back to its new status, just like when you first got the machine.
Statistics show that 50 to 70% of generator failures are directly attributable to the effects of substandard fuel.
You can find fuel degrading from this quality to this quality through a number of modes. Stored incorrectly or over time exposed to the elements of moisture and high heat. You can have decomposition of the fuel, gross contamination. Overall quality looks terrible just in the container itself, but once in the engine it can introduce a whole series of great detriments to the overall function of the engine.
The BG additive package ensures fuel stability in extreme conditions.
We've got some specific oxidation tests, DuPont stability tests, where we stress the fuel thermally with heat and try to initiate the decomposition of the fuel. Now, if the fuel has been treated with any set of beneficial additives, actually, when used in the test, it will not degrade, and it will show you clearly fuel untreated versus treated. The deposit of heavy tars into the fuel are completely minimized and neutralized when you have good additive science incorporated into it.
Fuel combustion performance is also improved, which will add up to an additional 5% in fuel economy and increased profitability in power generation. Until now, most technicians have been using a simple drain and fill technique, leaving debris, at least 10% of used oil in the system. The Quest Auto Oil Service program removes all contaminated oil, cleans, and then adds a conditioner that eliminates sludge, excessive wear, and protects moving parts from high heat. A generator's cooling system keeps it running properly, but poor quality or coolant that is aged or not compatible with local conditions will eventually attack the vital engine parts it's supposed to be protecting.
Poor coolant quality like this can be addressed in several different ways. Obviously, the most effective way is with the addition of a good supplemental coolant additive that will help protect the surface and neutralize the effect of hard water.
We need to understand the quality of water that is being used. That way, with the BG chemistry, we can customize it for the application in that geographical area.
By isolating and keeping the materials from contacting the metal surface, we obviously will keep the surface clean. This will ensure that the engine rejects heat properly and does not have any buildup formation that would eventually corrode and eat through the system.
Since 1971, BG Products Incorporated has established itself as the worldwide leader in fluid maintenance for gasoline and diesel-powered engines for automobiles, trucks, trains, and standalone diesel generators for commercial applications. BG is preferred 4-to-1 over any other fluid maintenance system in automotive dealerships in the USA, and not just for its products and service equipment, but also for its dedication to service training. With BG Products, Quest Auto is proud to introduce a solution for generator failures, the Quest BG Reliant package, as part of Quest Auto's total power management program, which includes the diesel fuel system service, performance oil service, cooling system service, and a thorough belts, parts, and battery check service. The Quest BG Reliant Diesel Injection Service removes carbon deposits in the fuel system on combustion chambers, injector nozzles, valves, piston, and exhaust ports. If the system is properly cleaned, it will consume less fuel and run quieter, without smoking. Unparalleled by any other diesel service, this service chemically cleans and completely restores the generator engine to peak performance without engine teardown. With the Quest BG Reliant Performance Oil Service, you can count on a total engine flush using automatic displacement evacuation technology. The service will evacuate all burnt oil and debris from the entire system and replace it with superior quality oils and conditioners. The Performance Oil Service features oil quality improving BG DOC with sludge inhibitors and friction fighters that will help extend engine life. For optimum performance, DOC is added for each oil change to provide deposit control and maintain like new performance. Severe corrosion can occur when additives that protect the cooling system have been depleted. The Quest BG Reliant Cooling System Service is a transfusion process which dissolves and removes accumulated deposits of rust, scale, and sludge. The system is then refilled with a coolant supplement, BG Universal Super Cool, to protect the aluminum surfaces inside the radiator and extend the life of the water pump, heater core, and hoses. At the end of the service, BG Universal Cooling System Sealer is added to seal any minor leaks and prevent head gasket seepage. Quest Auto maintains a strict HSE policy. Every member of our team wears personal protective equipment. All engineers are certified with quality education and awareness. A preventative maintenance checklist is provided for quality service and appraisal at all times. At Quest Auto, we pride ourselves in providing continued training on product knowledge. All maintenance work will have signage and see caution associated with it. Upgrade to the Integrated Site Management Package, which includes automatic enrollment into the Quest Auto Generator Care Club, which offers on-call service 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
It's not just business for me, it's personal for me. My father-in-law ran a plastic factory in Nigeria, and the electricity started to go out in 2000, and he went through several different generators until he couldn't maintain them anymore because there was no proper preventative maintenance there. And he went from a booming business to closing the business. That's the motivation behind us going into countries that have generator problems.
Restore your generators to their original fuel efficiency and improve combustion performance. Eliminate downtime due to fuel-related deposits and clogged injectors, and extend the life of all moving parts. Begin your quest for greater value and reliability and standby power efficiency with a preventative maintenance program from BG Products Incorporated and Quest Auto.